Hey guys, so today we're going to do a quick video on cleaning headphones. Or a quick short, I guess. First off, we'll have to take the earmuffs off. Simply just pull them out. Just like that, you have earmuffless headphones, if that's a word. Now, simply take your earmuffs and take out any foam that's in between here. Now, you should have this. Now, we're going to simply fill a container with some water. And then we're going to fill it in with some soap, set up real good, and drop our headphones in there. Can throw in the cushioning. Guess what we're going to do now? Mix again. If you want, you can hand wash it. Now we can simply take it out and drain the water. Make sure to drain the water, by the way. And let me tell you, that water got really dirty fast. And I've only had these headphones for about 1 year. We're gonna simply dry it. And now we're gonna do one last quick rinse. And that looks pretty good. Now you simply take these little ridges on the back and line them up into here. And now they smell great and look new. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and hit the bell. Have an amazing day and enjoy.